Special greetings, my dear students. Now we are going to see wireless networking technology. First, Bluetooth. Bluetooth we are using in many electronic devices. Bluetooth device maximum up to 250 meter it will transfer data. Maximum 240. Bluetooth maximum 240 kilometer it is used to transfer data, but it is depend on the it is Bluetooth is used to transfer data up to 240 meter. It is depend on the device. Most probably Bluetooth device it will transfer data up to 100 meter. If device is advanced, it will transfer up to only 240 meter. Mostly we are using Bluetooth to talk and to hear music and videos and all we are seeing nowadays in maximum electronic devices. Next, infrared technology. Infrared technology used to transfer data through LED light up to 5 meters. In our home, TV remote is an infrared technology. With help of this LED light, we are transferring data. Mostly this technology we can able to see in our home TV remote, fax and mobile to mobile data transmitting. Next is a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi full form is wireless fidelity. It is used to transfer data from mobile to a computer to any electronic devices. This is a high speed, high secure and reliable and fast. Here they given some points. Advantage is we can able to, instead of cable we can use a Wi-Fi. It is less cost comparing to cable. It is less cost to install. And disadvantage is power consumption. It is slower than wired connection. So up to now we seen network media. First one is a wired and next one is a wireless. Network medium is used to transfer data from one system to another system. Network medium is used to transfer data. It can be wired or wireless. Wired, Ethernet cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. Next type wireless we seen Bluetooth, infrared technology and Wi-Fi.